we this week?
Mount Brighton, baby.
Hey guys, it's Ryan and them from Wandering Free.
This weekend we head to Mount Brighton and channel our inner history bug.
We are on our way to Mount Brighton.
Finally getting away. We've had a couple of weeks at home, so...
A couple of weeks of not camping, so we're keen to be camping this weekend.
Yeah, so we're going to go to Mount Brighton, which I believe is an old gold mining town, yeah?
Yeah, it's an old gold mining town, so they had like a whole town set up there back in the 1880s.
Yeah.
They literally had fully functioning everything, post office, pubs, all that type of thing. And then the gold basically started to become more scarce and they closed everything down, I think in the late 80s, and then basically the last person pretty much left in the 1890s.
Yeah, right. That's unreal, eh?
Yeah,
there's literally apparently like no one living there, like it's actually just like it's a completely ruined, like not ruins, there's a couple of things standing, but there's literally no one living there, so I'm pretty cool to go see like an old town.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, just to see what's left. I don't think there's a heap there, but it is pretty cool that they've got a campsite there.
They do have a campsite. You can definitely go and have a look at it. I think it's a popular route for caravans. So so it's in accredited state forest. Yeah, that's it. Yep.
Yeah, so near the whole Yungala area.
Yep. So yeah, we're just gonna. Well, we jumped in the car after work. We're gonna head to Mount Brighton. Drive through the hills and then see where tomorrow leads us, eh?
Yeah, that's it.
Go drive across the top and try and find some cool little spots to have a look at. Hope you guys enjoy.
On the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone.
How do you reckon you went?
Awesome. If anyone has a better storage for firewood, every time we go and get it, obviously it all just ends up through the car, but I don't know how everyone fits everything. I'm struggling so hard to figure out where everyone puts everything. It's crazy.
Anyway, this is what we've done.
Anyway, yeah, so.
Get ourselves a couple of little bags to help with the twigs.
Yep, and so the big stuff's just at the back.
Yeah. But yeah, how's your chainsaw going?
Oh, it's awesome, man. I literally I was so skeptical about the power and the petrol, and yeah, no, I'm happy as with it. It's so easy too. Milwaukee battery charged, done, and yeah, it bites hard too. Just got to keep it sharp.
My feet off the ground, left me on the floor. Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before.
all set up and we are just getting the fire started. Just about to get it lit and get some dinner cooking. So very keen. This place is spectacular. We're literally just surrounded by mountain ranges. It is so beautiful.
Free, but ready to bleed from this all. Hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own.
Rightio guys, we put the drone up, took some cool photos of Golden Hour. Didn't get the drone up in time for Golden Hour, but got some cool photos on the camera. Now Em is cooking us up a feed. What are you cooking, doll?
I am just making some potato bake. So I'm gonna put it in the camp oven and see how we go on the fire.
Nice,
So we're gonna have some steak and some veggies with potato bake.
Awesome, sounds bloody good. We got a little platter on the go here. The old crispy, legend. Em's made a ripper fire. How's the sunset over the hills?
Beautiful.
Unreal, eh?
This is a stunning place.
It is, isn't it? We got a little, I don't know if you can see over there, but I think that's the post office. We'll have to go over and read the signs and everything in the morning. We'll show you all over there. And then over the back here, we got a nice, insane cliff edge all the way around. I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up, but it is crazy awesome all the way around. And then up here, we got our little toilet. And then up here, there's a sign that says 250 meters to a lookout. So we'll check that out in the morning. For now, we'll get to dinner, have a few beers, and enjoy the night.
Must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone. We're so far from home.
Broccoli was a little bit rotten. Not quite super rotten, but it just definitely wasn't at a point that I'd want to eat it. But
Not gonna risk it.
Some corn and some carrot
Beautiful.
and our potato bake, and we got steak. So.
Yeah, we got a massive potato bake here, so.
Yeah, the potato bake's huge. We haven't had potato bake in so long.
And we're cooking it on the fire.
I
Ooh,
know,
yeah.
never done that before. So I don't even know how long to keep it on for. I've never even made a potato bake that small before, so I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. We'll wing it.
You're doing good, darling.
Hard to be standing on your own. I keep living alone. We're so far from home. Free, but ready to.
Not bad for first time, though.
Pretty happy. That was about 50 minutes.
Yeah.
I reckon I'll just leave it in there until the steak's done anyway.
Yep.
Just keep it nice and warm, get it a little bit more snippy. But yeah, I reckon our veggies over here will probably be done, so I might take them off.
Right, that sounds
But
good.
yeah, oh, yum.
Oh, yeah, beautiful. Hey.
What have we got going on here?
We are getting ready for a late night shower. Have to be one of the best things we did, eh? Absolutely love it.
Absolutely. Best thing ever.
Rinse your feet before you go to bed, like, it's just all already have.
We're trying something new, so we've chucked one of our muck mats in the shower floor. So we're going to see how that goes because we left the normal things in the boat, so we don't have them. So we thought, oh, we'll see how we go with the muck mat anyway.
Might need 3 days for them to dry out. So.
I know. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. We'll see what happens.
Right. Worst case to worst, we'll just zip tie them or strap them to the rooftop tent on the actual roof rack, and as we drive along, it'll dry. All good.
I feel like we'll probably just put it into a plastic bag.
That too, yeah. Well.
But I mean, whoever's plan's easier.
Yeah. Oh, it'd be nice to see, but.
Morning, guys. Ryan is just getting the fire going so that we can cook some brekkie on it. How you going?
Yeah, good. I don't think it needs it, but there's that much heat in it from last night, eh? But I just wanted to use it.
Everything packed up. Ryan's just put water on the fire to put the fire out, and there is so much wood left over. So the next person is going to be very lucky, aren't they?
Winner, chicken dinner.
Absolutely. So what are you going to go do?
There's a little sign up here that says 250 meters to a lookout. So I'll go up there, have a look. I don't know if you can see the border ranges sort of thing in the background there. We'll go have a look at that, check out the dunny, do a review on the dunny, just for everyone so they know. And then come back through, check out all this stuff here, and then on the way out there's actually a gold mine sign, so we'll go up there and have a look. And I think there's a couple shafts to check out. Obviously stay away from them because we're by ourselves and we don't want to be, that would be bad. So we're gonna jump in, had the aircon running for the last 10 minutes because it's boiling hot outside, so let's get in, see how we go.
The dunny looks like it's a bit of an oldie, but I mean, if they want to supply a toilet, then I guess we'll take whatever we can get, hey?
Yeah.
Have a look.
She's a wild up jigger. Oh yeah, she's old school. Oh, it's got Mortine. Simple green, bay leaf bottle. Beautiful. A little bit of sugar.
Happening? Please close the lid and the lid's up. God, people can't even read, can they?
Unreal.
Crazy.
Yeah, she's old school, look at that.
Look at that.
Probably a snake up in the top.
You never know.
Big old wasp. Buddy. Oh, wow.
Floor a bit wobbly.
Supplied by a frequent visitor, please don't swipe the paper. Yeah, no, she's a long droppy.
Cool.
Ripper. Yeah. Oh, it's better than nothing, isn't it? If you gotta go, you gotta go.
So the actual site, if you want to come camp here, it's called the Mount Brighton Township site. So it is a free camp, fully free. There is no reception. A lot of places around here say no reception, and we're kind of always like, oh, see how we go, because we've gone to a few and they have actually had reception. This one, absolutely nothing. I mean, the phone sat there and you get a couple of little cheeky notifications through, but nothing major. You definitely couldn't go in and actually do anything on your phone, so just keep that in mind. No reception at all, but beautiful place. There was only 2 other people here tonight, last night with us. One was in a camper, one was in a van, so felt secure enough having other people around us, even though we had no reception or anything like that. But it's a good spot. You're allowed to open fires on the ground. They've got like a couple of fire pits made up, and there's the toilet. So it's just a long drop dunny, very old school, but if you've got to go, you've got to go, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much all we've got to say about this place. We're gonna have a truck up to some of these lookouts, and we have to go through all the stuff at the township site still. But at the moment, I think we just want to get in the car for a little bit because it's so hot, so we just want to be in this aircon. So we'll see how we go anyway. I'm sure there's a fair bit to see up here.
Behold these mountains. One of the early gold miners, the Hon Harold Finch Hatton, described these mountains in the book Advance Australia. Absolutely incredible. Excuse me, hiccup again. So they call that one Marling Spike, that one up the top there. GoPro probably won't pick it up, but pretty cool, eh?
Very cool. The mountain ranges here are insane.
It's absolutely crazy to think that right here, where we stand right now, what, 200 and something years ago? So, something like that.
Not quite.
This is the public hall, the School of the Arts. How incredible is that? There's a couple photos of people like standing in around here back in the day. So yeah, I don't know if it's changed much by then, but it's pretty cool to think that people were walking around here and this was a thriving gold town.
Yeah. A thriving town just with everything, pubs, butchers, absolutely everything. Hey.
And now we get to stand here. Pretty cool, eh?
Very cool.
Who would have thought we'd be the old history bugs?
Yeah.
It's actually really cool to see. It's just crazy to think. Crazy to think they built these. Like, look at this thing here. Like, how did they come up with that stuff back in the day? Like, incredible, eh? All the signs are sort of withered away in the sun.
Bit worse for wear.
Yeah.
It is so hot. I
It
can't
is
even explain to you
very
the heat
warm
today. It's just dry heat, which I guess is good. It's not like muggy.
I think I know why they planted that tree over there. Hey, you could live under that. Rain wouldn't even get through it.
There was actually people camped under that last night.
They had the spot.
What's your
prime
thoughts?
spot.
Tell us in the comments what your thoughts are on camping underneath a tree.
Yeah.
1, do you like doing it for shade, or 2, do you avoid camping under trees because you are so fearful that a branch is going to fall on you and absolutely destroy everything?
It's hard,
No,
eh?
I reckon everyone's got a big opinion about that.
Yeah, definitely.
we got back to the van, guys, unpacked everything, had some showers, got cleaned up. We were actually really dirty.
Yeah,
there was
crazy,
so much like dust around because it's really, really dry out there.
Yeah.
So there was so much dust, hey. So yeah, we decided to have
bit of a
some
date
fish and chips by the water.
Yeah, it's unreal.
Yeah.
We'll watch the sunset go down and we'll catch you guys for the next week, eh?
Like, subscribe, you know what you're doing.